Hey guys, welcome back. It's been 7 months. Yes, 7 months since I had my FUE hair transplant. And in this video, I'm going to give you a quick update on the growth process and give you some tips and all that good stuff. So let's get right to it. So as you can see, things are looking pretty good. In the last video, you could see way more of my scalp when I was this close to the camera. And like the light is like right here and I can see mostly like black hair. So this was the area that I was waiting to fill up and it's definitely filling in. It looks so much more natural and good and full and thick. I mean, I love it. I'll give you guys, I'll turn around so you guys can see how it looks. So I got my hair did 2 days ago and I told the barber to give me a number 1 on the sides and back because realistically that's as short as I'll probably ever go. And so you guys can see if there's any like, evidence that I had FUE done. So there is some evidence, but it's very minor. I mean, it's a trade-off, it's like you get FUE, there's going to be some evidence that the hair was harvested, but just consider them your battle scars because FUE is no joke. I know I've joked a lot in my other videos, saying, oh, it's easy to get the FUE, but to be realistic, it's not a day at the spa. Use anesthetic on you and the needles hurt a little bit and the next day you got to take care of yourself. If you're scared of needles, maybe it's not for you, but I think the majority of guys can handle it. But I just don't want to misrepresent saying that it's a complete piece of cake because eating cake is easy and it's not that easy. Now I'm gonna run my hands through the hair so you guys can see. It's looking just really nice. It just falls nicely. Everything's cool and I don't know. It just looks good. I'm gonna post some some photos now of how it looks wet, so you guys can see how that looks. I took those photos yesterday morning. I know a lot of you are gonna be looking at this video going, "Oh my God, his hair looks amazing. I'm gonna contact him right away." Well, I'm sorry to tell you guys that since the last video, I've gotten kind of inundated with DMs on Instagram, and it's gotten way too much. So I will not be taking any more DMs from new guys that have questions on Instagram or anything really. It's just too overwhelming, and there's only one of me, and I don't want to give like one-word answers on these things. And I have my own personal life that I have to keep up with. So I'm addicted to my smartphone too, but I got to dedicate it to my personal life. Having said that, there's more than enough information on all my videos. If you watch all of them, you'll get like a ton of information. Also, if you just watch Fred Riley's videos, there's a ton of information there. And if you read the comments, he's replied to a bunch of people there, and I've replied to a bunch of people in my comments too. So there really is no need to contact me or any other human, to make a decision. I mean, I didn't contact anybody or speak with anybody in real life before I decided to get the FUE. I just thought about it. I trusted my gut. I trusted my intuition, and my intuition was like, yeah, go ahead with it. Everything looks fine. I mean, you got to think that, things are going to work out. And I was like, yeah, I'm going to do this. I'm brave. I'm a badass. I'm going to go to Mexico. I'm going to get this done. And then within less than a year, I'm going to have this awesome hair. And boom, here I am 7 months later with awesome hair. So you have two choices. You can be a soy boy living in fear, or you can be an alpha and actually go for what you want. And I am an alpha. So far, I've gotten what I want. The proof is in the pudding. Anyways, guys, that's my video for today. I'll post another video in a month. So it's April 1st, April Fool's Day. All right. So I'll see you guys in a month. My name's Moises Amaya, and I'm out.